All right, let's go down and check out the lake, shall we? Let's just see. My cousin was fishing. So we're gonna go check it out. I just want to see how low ours is, because maybe I'll do some fishing videos this summer. We'll see. All right. Here we go. Let's go check this out. Let's go check this out. Because I want to do some fishing maybe this year. Of course, we're just in the early stages of spring. Well, spring's not started yet. Just a few days away. We're going to see how full it is. Because that's not very full at all. All right, let's go check this out. Yeah. Looks like there's minnows already moving around down there. Cool. All right. Lake is low. Pretty low. We can use some more rain. Thanks for watching, y'all. And before I go, I just want to remind y'all, Jesus loves you and God bless.